Welcome to this exceptional home, a Portland-style Craftsman replication built by award-winning Intex Custom Homes. Discover quality craftsmanship and architectural details throughout. The modern open floor plan includes beautiful design elements, cherry cabinetry built-ins, and a slate gas fireplace surround. It's thoughtfully designed for an easy open flow, perfect for entertaining, with 3/4-inch oak flooring and wood-wrapped windows. The island kitchen features slab granite counters, cherry cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, a gas range, and pantry. Plus a charming built-in breakfast nook. You'll find a large main-level office or den. Relax or entertain on the paver patio areas or practice on the putting green. Fully fenced with gates on both sides and automatic sprinklers and raised beds, it's perfect for a low-maintenance lifestyle. On the upper level, the spacious primary suite has all the amenities you expect, with a well-appointed bath, and a huge closet. This home of more than 3,500 square feet has 5 bedrooms and 3.5 baths. You'll also love the Home Comfort Zone MyTemp system, which regulates the temperature in every room, plus on-demand hot water at every interior faucet. Great flexible living is afforded by the spacious lower-level family room and bedroom with a full bath. Other features include a central vac system, a 220-volt car charging outlet in the garage, central air, and 2 gas water heaters. A fabulous, masterfully crafted home by an award-winning builder. It's all here ready for you to call home. For more information, please contact Russell Homewood with Premier Property Group.